So Dylan James probably hates me. He Venmoed me way back in August, and I must have missed it. I just noticed it the other day. He never said nothing to me. I'm not sure what platform you're on. So it's 1 ounce of Cruzan coconut rum. Good thing I have all the ingredients. 1 ounce of Western Sun or Absolute Lime. You know I had to go Western Sun. Love their vodkas. 1 ounce Bird Dog Peach. I heard Bird Dog came out with a gingerbread. Filled with lemonade. He said to float a splash of pineapple. So if you want me to float it, I'm guessing you don't want me to mix it in. So let that stirred up. Use a little splash of pineapple juice there on the top. And sorry for the delay. Didn't mean to leave you hanging. Cheers. That is really good. God damn. You said a 9.5. I agree with you. I'd give that about a 9.5. That surprisingly, I was really unsure with the lime and the peach together, but that really works. It's good. And we got rum, vodka, whiskey, but that all pulls together. Definitely check that one out. Cheers.